Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and turn on or off camera location tags on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, you're first gonna go ahead access your device's settings app. Once you have done so, you're gonna go ahead go to this option called privacy and security. Go ahead, tap on it. Here in this option called location services on top, go ahead, tap on it, and now you can see you do have this. All of these apps have allowed the location permission, right? If you go to this, so what you have to do is you're simply gonna go to that particular individual app of yours, and simply if it's into ask next time or when I share, that means that notification or that location tags will pop up again and again. Make sure that you have chose this other option called while using the app for all of the app that you have allowed the permission for, so you won't get the tags. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.